When I went away to journeyman school, I got my plumber's license, which I think is cool. But then something changed, because when I got back, all you talk about is my butt crack. You say, my boyfriend's back and now he's a plumber. But when he gets to working, I find it such a bummer. He used to be smart, but now he's much dumber. I just don't get it, it's a complete stumper. Hey, your butt crack's leaking, and the sink's still leaking. Well, your butt crack just drives me insane. I see it every time you're working on the drain. Must be something in the way you're all trained. 'Cause everyone I know has the very same complaint. Hey, your butt crack's peeking, and the sink is still leaking. What makes you think when you're under the sink that's cool? You're such a big man and your crack is simply rude. I hit please. She says, my boyfriend's crack gives me so much frustration. You know there's just no useful explanation. Hey, your butt crack's peeking, and the sink is still leaking. A new girlfriend this summer.